Welcome to the orientation session for physical and computational science majors in the Franklin College of Arts and Sciences. You've chosen to pursue a liberal arts and science education where you will have intentional opportunities to creatively express yourself, communicate effectively, and investigate complex formulas and ideas. If you change your major, then it's important to inform Mary Herman before your advising appointment. As you well know, college is a different world from high school, and each college is different in its own right. Here at UGA, the amount of effort and hours it takes to have academic success is compared to having a full time job. We recommend studying 3 hours for each credit hour you're enrolled in. If you're registered for 15 hours, that's 45 hours of studying outside of class. Add the 15 hours of class instruction, and that's a 60-hour work week. That's a lot of overtime, but the payoff is a competitive GPA and, of course, graduation. In order to graduate, you need a minimum 2.0 GPA, 120 academic hours, plus 1 credit hour for physical education, and completion of required classes. Classes are housed in 4 sets of requirements. From the University System of Georgia requirements, which we call USG, then you have institutional requirements called UGA requirements, Franklin College, and then major specific course requirements. The USG UGA requirements include the minimum GPA, cultural diversity, environmental awareness, federal and Georgia Constitution, U.S. and Georgia history, the first year Odyssey seminar, experiential learning, and PE. Keep in mind, physical education only counts once towards graduation. Franklin College requirements include foreign language, which you'll need to satisfy foreign language through the 3rd semester of the same language family, biological sciences, physical sciences, literature, social sciences, 2 fine art philosophy religion classes, history, and a multicultural course. The core is comprised of areas 1 through 6. Area 1 being your foundational math and English classes. Area 2 are your sciences. Area 3, quantitative reasoning. Area 4, world language and culture, humanities and arts. Area 5, social sciences. And Area 6 is dictated by major. In short, the 120 hours of academic credit is 60 hours of system and college requirements and 60 hours for the major. If your major coursework is less than 60 credit hours, then you will have room to take general electives to meet graduation requirements. It's a lot of classes, but most of you are bringing in credit through AP, IB, and dual enrollment. If you do not already have credit or exemptions for math, it is strongly recommended that you take the ALEX placement or the mathematics exemption test. If continuing with the foreign language that you have prior knowledge in, you should also consider taking a language exam. With intentional planning and careful course selection, you can take fewer classes to satisfy requirements, and your academic advisor can help you with that and more. The mission of the Franklin College of Arts and Sciences Office of Student Academic Services is to provide information about the academic requirements and resources of the Franklin College, the University of Georgia, and the University System of Georgia. Advisors foster an environment of trust, respect, and mutual responsibility while encouraging students to develop an appreciation for the enduring value of the liberal arts and sciences. Advisors educate students about the unique challenges and diverse possibilities at a large university. Students are encouraged to engage in a process of exploration and self-discovery that ultimately will lead to the realization of their academic and professional goals. Keep in mind, academic advising is for students only, and it's required each semester in order to register for classes. Before your one-on-one appointment with your orientation advisor, make a list of all of your AP, IB, and joint enrollment classes. Please provide scores if known. You'd also want to select a world language, a physical science, 1 life science, 2 or 3 humanities and art classes, 2 social sciences. If you're not sure what that philosophy, psychology, or African American studies course is, look them up in the UGA bulletin and receive a wonderful course description.
Your advisor is going to help you plan a balanced schedule, which may resemble one of the schedules here. Keep in mind, you may have to adjust your schedule once you start to register. Don't panic. You'll have until the end of Drop Ad to complete your schedule.
Here are some resources to help you prepare for your advising session. Use the bulletin to get course descriptions and learn if you've met prerequisite requirements for a course you'd like to take. Use DegreeWorks to see your remaining requirements and additional course options. Use Sage to schedule your next advising appointment. Remember, advising is mandatory each semester. You are unable to register for classes until you meet with your academic advisor, and it will be your responsibility to schedule an appointment for the upcoming semester. Use Athena to register for classes and check registration holds. Advisors will clear your academic advisement hold, but you may need to acknowledge your student account, update your contact information, or resolve some other hold. Be sure to check your UGA email daily. Your advising appointment information will be sent to your UGA email account. If you have questions after your advising appointment, follow up with your orientation advisor, or you can email askfranklin@uga.edu. We look forward to meeting you. Go Dog!